Welcome back. Class 12 CBSE Physics Board Examination. We have 5553, the question serial number, and section D, case study problems, question number 29. It's absolutely unofficial. Question number 29 is a big question. And the first option, the electrical field E in the region between the plates is the question. The potential difference V is 200. We have explanations here. The correct answer E is equal to minus 2 into 10 to the power 4 VMK. That is the option D. Option D is the correct answer. Now, in the second option, in the region between the plates, the electron moves with an acceleration A given by acceleration A is equal to F by M and M is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. So, we will find the A. A is approximately equal to 3.5 into 10 to the power 15 meter per second square. Hence, the answer is B. And the third question, the time interval during which an electron moves through the region between the plates is T is equal to L by Vx. That's why we'll calculate. We'll get 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 9 seconds. That is the option C. 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 9. And the B option is the vertical displacement of the electron which travels through the region between the plates is, that is S is equal to half AT square. You will find S is equal to 4.9 millimeter. That 4.5 millimeter, 4.9 millimeter, the answer is B. And the fourth question is, which one of the following is the path traced by the electron in between two plates? That is, its answer is B, option B. This is the answers of case study problems. That is, in the first question, option D. Second, it's option B. Third, A, which is option C. Third, B, which is option B. And fourth question, also it's option B. These are the answers. We will soon do the next case study problems also. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video and watch our mathematics videos also.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.